Never used this one up here. This is the Ghost Tube Seer. It uses AI to interpret the environment information, and it prints it out on this screen right here, and it's working. Can you show yourself on this device? Are you one of the miners that worked up here? You can use this device's power. You can use the flashlight that I have on my head. You can use the power in that. Got cold in here.
It did, all of a sudden. I noticed that too.
Yeah. I mean, I can see my breath a lot more too.
Yeah.
Just like all of a sudden.